Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. Let's make a very refreshing smoothie. Do you know what a smoothie is? It's like a juice made out of fruits, many different fruits blended together in this blender. So, do you like fruits? I love fruits. Let's mix some fruits in the blender and drink a delicious smoothie. Yes? Let's see. We're going to use bananas, 1 apple, a plum, a peach, some grapes, and strawberries. I like to use frozen strawberries, so then the smoothie is very cold and refreshing. We're also gonna need some orange juice. I use this orange juice because it's like a natural orange juice, okay? Some water, just a little bit, and to make it a little bit sweet, I'm gonna use some honey, okay? So it's so easy. Just put everything in the blender, turn it on, voila, you have a very delicious, healthy smoothie. Let's start. So let's start adding the fruits. I usually put the bananas first. Peel off. Remember, before you start cooking, you need to wash your hands really well. Peel off the banana. I'm gonna use it too, because I'm making smoothies for 2, 3, even 4 people to drink, okay? If you're making just for yourself, use just half a banana, not even a whole banana. Now, an apple. This part, you need to use a very sharp knife. So ask somebody to help you. I don't want you to cut your fingers. We're just gonna chop it in big chunks to help the blender. With peel and everything, you have to wash it really nice before you put it in. So you wash your hands and you wash the fruits as well. There you go. Apples in. Peach, a big peach. Wash the peach as well. And when you cut it in half, usually it opens up. It can open like this. There's a big pit in the middle. Smells delicious. Do you like peach? I love peach. Peach in this. Then we have a plum. Plums can be very sweet, huh? And they're very ripe. I also washed the plums, huh? You washed everything before you eat. Big chunks. There's also a pit inside. You have to be careful. Let's see. Now the grapes. This is a little bunch with about 8 to 10 grapes. Peel them out like this. Take them out of the vine like this. And there's a few more here. It looks beautiful, huh? Now our strawberries. Now we are going to add some orange juice. Remember, it's all natural orange juice. This one that I'm using. We can put about a whole glass. It's like almost to the middle like this. About half a liter of orange juice. And then a splash of water. And I think that's it. look how beautiful. And the last ingredient, the honey. I like to put like 2 big spoons. 1 and 2. Like this. There you go. And now let's blend. Can you see how it looks? There's the way it is. Beautiful, huh? Everything in here. So here we have bananas, apple, peach, plum, grapes, oranges, and a bit of water and honey. 6 fruits. So it's a 6-fruit smoothie. Lock it really well and turn it on. Okay, I think now it's ready. And it's just ready to serve. You see, there's a lot of juice to share with all your friends and your family. Whoever likes a very healthy, yummy snack. You can drink this in the morning, and the afternoon snack, in the evening after your supper or your dinner, anytime. Let's see. Then you serve. And then you taste it. Delicious. I hope you enjoy as well. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.